Hello class, I just received a question in regards to where can you find the information dealing with the extra credit for ag marketing. So I figured I'd do this quick little tutorial of actually how to find that information and what I'm wanting you to record on that sheet. So if you see right here, I am at the cmegroup.com. So this is that first main web page, just cmegroup.com. And I'm going to come right up here and I'm going to go to trading, right to agriculture. So if I click on agriculture, and I know one of those commodities that I want you to report is live cattle. So you can look right here, well, there's corn, soybeans, live cattle, lean hog, a couple other ones. But you can also find it in a different place. Like, let's say, for example, I want you to find live cattle. Well, I know live cattle is livestock. So I click right there under livestock, and I see live cattle futures. So this right here is going to tell me everything that I want you to know. So it's going to show first and foremost real quick, when is that next available contract? And that next available contract is April of 2019. Whenever I'm making that video, and I'm currently making this video on January 23rd of 2019. So that's the next available contract date is at April 19th. And then if we look over here, there's the opening price of that day of today, which is January 23rd. So we can look, and there's lean hogs. The next contract is April 19th, and there's the opening price that I'd like for you to record. Feeder cattle futures, there's the contract, and then there's the opening price. So essentially, that's what I'm wanting you to find for that extra credit every day is, first and foremost, find that commodity, the contract, the next available contract, and then the opening price. Then real quick, since I'm already making the video, if we wanted to, we could open up these live cattle futures. And what I did was just simply click on that hot link. And it's going to show me more contracts. It's going to show me the February, the April, June, and then the opening price of each one. You don't have to go in as far as what I'm doing right there, but this is where that information is posted. That's where it's located at, is you can find further contracts out for up to about a year away, and we can actually see that it's looking like what the prices are expected to do over the course of this next year according to the futures market. So essentially that's what I want you to do. I want you to just go to trading, click on agriculture. It'll pop up with all the commodities, find say corn, contract date, and then the opening price right there.